this episode of Bad Tree Productions, I go out and help a friend over in Wisconsin with a Chevy. Ugh. What we have here is a 1989 Chevy with a small block and you know, thinking V8, you know, spark plug wires and spark plugs. And then I forgot, oh yeah, it's from the 80s, so it's gonna be just smog puked all over it, so it's gonna be a little tight getting the fingers up in there, but it's nothing we can't do. Let's get at it. Got the new spark plug wires there. I laid them out. I'm gonna just start with one and work my way back. One plug, one wire. Keep it all organized as possible. Got me a Diet Pepsi to crush and some new, these are kind of different, nice and slim AC Delcos. Maybe this is a common thing. I don't work on Chevys that often, if at all. So let me know in the comments. Is this smooth? Normal? Is it a new design? Why is it smooth? Why were these like this? Why is this like this? Like a good little shop dog learning how to wrench. And we're on number one, so let's keep working down the line. And thank the wrenching gods for the old swivel extension. It's the only thing that's working right now for this. So tight. So tight. There's all this smog shit everywhere. Damn it. But it is a nice and clean car. There's like no rust. I'll have to, I know it's got a car cover on it, but I'll have to show it to you. You know, if you grew up in the 90s like me, this is probably, every one of your friends' grandma had this car. Or if you got your permit, this is probably the car you learned to drive in. Big land yacht out of the 80s, floating down the highway with grandma riding shotgun, smoking them Virginia Slim, telling you, look both ways when you cross the railroad tracks. You don't want to get hit by a train. When you get your license, you got to be observant. Yeah, okay. Oh. So, hey, put some torque thrusts on this thing too. It looks nice. 17s, I think. 17s or 18s. They look good. Ugh. Plug number 2 came out. A little tan. Rapid fire spark plug. Baugi di Alagudra Rapifired. Rapid fire bugia. Made in USA. Crazy. See with your fingertips. There we are. There we go. That's threading, cross threading, threading there, baby. Yeah, just like that. There you go. Alrighty. I'll be back and I'll show you what these spark plug wires look like, or spark plug wire. Well, I'll just show you right now. So they got these sweet little factory clips there that keep your spark plug wires all together and organized, and that's pretty slick. I do enjoy that. Good job, Chevy. Pretty sweet. Finally. That took forever. What's this one got on it? Anti-seize. Don't look terrible. Whew. All them whatever heat riser tubes that are coming off the manifold that go to a like a junction. All these chrome tubes, they go to this junction. Anyway, those are like basically in the way of your hands. So Ryan Wing, what's up with that, man? What's up with these Chevys doing that to a guy? Like, I'd almost be rather putting in a pair of headers in an A-body Mopar right now. Would have a little bit more room. Oh, come on. And I want to do it with my right hand, but I can't. Great. We all heard that, right? Okay, got it. Thanks, Raven. Yep, thanks for pulling on my pant leg. Yep. Yeah, we're playing, aren't we? No, we're changing spark plugs. Oh, girl. Settle down. It didn't break. That's nice. I can't see anything. I think that might be in the general area of it. I couldn't tell you because I can't see or move my hands right now. Why do cars have to have steering? Oh. Did I say earlier it was good to help your friends? You mother... I just heard an eagle out back. Holy shit, we got it. Started at least. Now you just gotta keep the damn thing tight. It reminds you, this is the easy side versus that side, I think. I think the Hemi was easier than this. Okay, got it. Jeez, that was bad. Raven, where's the last one on the driver's side? Oh. Yeah, this is probably the one that shocked him. The whole reason we're doing this is his buddy was doing the timing on it. He got shocked by the distributor, and here's what was on the spark plug side, and on the cap and rotor side this thing was barely making any contact. So let's see, is there any cracking in it? I mean, all of them have looked really good so far, but oh, this was really loose and it came apart very easily. All right, I'll get back to you when I get into another struggle fit again. This back spark plug wasn't even tight. I had to hold the extension with my fingers to get it to start ratcheting. So that's not great. All right, we're moved on to the passenger side now. I got the the least amount of hand room. I don't have the steering shaft in the way over here though, so that's nice. I still can't see shit though. Smog. Oh, come on, baby. I gotta use the Mickey Mouse's fucking tool. It's too cold, the GoPro keeps shutting off. Can't see my breath, but I got it. Persistence pays off on a Chevy, I guess. You know, I'd have the spark plugs changed on the Dart by now. With no fender wells and no smog. Come in for the clutch, I dropped the spark plug. There you go, Magnon stick. Good job. GoPro's a tool every once in a while too. It's been taking a little longer than, you know, what little baby puppies thought it would take. I got 2 left. This is going in, and then I'll have 1 left. And it has been a damn wire in the very back. Who knew? Easiest one of them all. Get the hell out of here. Anyway, it's been kind of the struggle bus most of the time. Well, we're done with the 89 350 spark plug and wire swap out. Glad to help you out, Ed.
Good job.
All right, we're heading back. Raven is whooped from working on Chevys. My hands hurt, but I got to help a good buddy, and he was pretty appreciative of it. And you should go out and help your friends. So that's gonna do it for this random episode. Take it easy, you heathens. Ciao. Oh yeah, don't forget the good, bad, and the ugly in the comments section. You gotta hear about that. Bye.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon.
Alright, I had to throw the GoPro out here in the truck and let it sit in the sun and warm up so it'd record longer than 30 seconds. Well, it just keeps dying. Anyway, whoever engineered that, not God bless you.